Hashtag empowerment.
Hashtag empowerment. Lead to purpose your boys and mothers, and start with you believe. You believe you can. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. Respect.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Tiganaan. Respect. I have chosen hashtag respect. As someone who is a member of LGBT community, ever since when I was a kid, I heard the word respect. But people don't know how to act respect. Ladies and gentlemen, we should always give respect to each one another, regardless of our differences, gender, race, or ethnicity. As someone who is bullied, as someone who is discriminated and humiliated by people. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, always practice respect, because respect is the most powerful that we have, that no one can take away from us. Thank you.
Thank you. We chose number 4. And your hashtag is social media.
One of the most things that I see in the social media. Ladies and gentlemen, social media is to communicate and to connect with other people. And one of the biggest things that I would to give of all na kailangan po nating itama na paggagamit ng social media, sapagkat hindi po yan karaniwang na ating lamang pinaglalaruan, sapagkat ang social media ay napakahalaga kung paano tayo makikipag-communicate sa iba't ibang mga tao na dapat nating ipaalam kung ano ang ating mga mensahe. At ang social media, ladies and gentlemen, it is very important to know. And everyone who didn't know that social media is always being important in our daily life. Kaya lagi natin pong tatandaan, wag po tayong basta-basta lamang magpapakanat ng mga informasyon, sapagkat ang social media ay nagbibigay halaga sa ating lipunan. And I